If you love restaurant ranch, this is the recipe for you. And the best part is, I bet you already have everything on hand to make it yourself. Of course, it starts with our favorite condiment, about a cup of mayonnaise and half the amount of sour cream. The mayonnaise adds the richness, the sour cream adds that good tangy bite. Now we're just gonna add some dried herbs. I'm starting with some chives, some parsley, some dill, garlic powder and onion powder, and then simply salt and pepper. This recipe is very similar to my favorite kind of packet ranch you make at home, but without all those ingredients that you really can't even pronounce. This right here is the perfect base. But the way I like to zhuzh it up is to add a little bit of the fresh versions of the dried herbs that we added in. It's so rich and creamy, and what I love is that you can taste every flavor that we put in that bowl. If you've never made your own ranch dressing, now's the time to skip the store-bought and try this recipe. If your favorite ranch comes from a recipe, this recipe. I was like, from a restaurant, a recipe.